Kamusta mga tol? Happy New Year sa inyong lahat. Sana naging maayos yung bakasyon nyo nung December or after nung Christmas at nakagala rin kayo sa mga plano nyong outdoor destinations. Ang ating topic for today ay yung top local bike bag manufacturers dito sa Philippines. Okay? And nirank ko yung mga bike bag manufacturers in terms of yung availability ng products nila. So from the last one up to the top one, yung top one siya yung tingin kong pinakamarami mag-produce ng bike bags. Okay, so let's start off with number 11, Lagalag Larga Bags. Larga Bag was the first pioneer and most popular bikepacking bags in the Philippines back in mga 2012 to I think 2015 or 16. The other brands sumunod na lang sila creating their own bikepacking bags, pero unang sumikat talaga yung Larga Bags. And I think Larga was the only bikepacking bags that was on Lazada. Actually, I ordered mine through Lazada. My first bikepacking bags like the handlebar bag and saddle bag, parehong Larga bags. Up until now, I still have those. Maraming kailangan i-improve, pero those bags made my bikepacking life easier. Sadly, they already stopped making those bikepacking Larga bags right now. So kung may makikita ka man na Larga bikepacking bags, I think remaining stocks na lang yon, nag-uubos na lang sila. Thanks Lagalag for the fun memories. Number 10, Camela. Camela brand has been very famous back in the 80s and 90s. Marami akong naging backpacks na Camela yung tatak. Noong 2015 and 2016, Camela created prototype bags like saddle bag, frame bag, and sort of an anything cage bag. Unfortunately, it never took off. They never mass-produced those bags for some reason. The Camela bags are still producing backpacks and fanny packs and other bags, but no more bikepacking bags, at least for now. Number 9 is Tox Gear. Tox is an outdoor shop. Ang main product nila ay mostly mga duyan, hammocks. The shop is located very near the Ligaw Terminal in Rodriguez, Rizal. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, Ligaw is the jump off for Mount Balagbag, also known as helipad for mountain bikers. Tox Gear is owned and the bags are made by an outdoor guy named Satya Das and his family. The bikepacking products na nakita ko lang sa shop nila are the top tube bag, pero sa Facebook nakita ko yung handlebar bag harness. Aside from that, yung Tox Gear, they don't stock up in making bike bags. Whenever they make bags, for example, they create 5 pieces, it's first come, first serve. When you visit their shop, they don't advertise it that much. You can message them for order by searching Tox Gear Outdoors on Facebook, or check out the link in the description below. Number 8, Stuff Wrap. They make a lot of fanny packs, sling bags, also some bike touring bags like pannier bags and a small handlebar bag. They really don't update their Facebook page that much if you visit it. Pero marami akong nakitang products nung Philippine Bicycle Demo Day last 2019 and nakausap ko nga yung owner. And he showed me some good quality products and they're very open in making more bikepacking bags. You can visit their Facebook page. through the link below and then message them for orders. I'm gonna post the link also. Number 7, si Bike Statement. Si Bike Statement, yung mga bags are made, I think, in QC, which is owned by our good friend Kiko Feria. Bike Statement doesn't have a lot of bikepacking bag products, but he has made frame bags, which I actually own one, like a triangle frame bag, and also a waterproof pannier bags for bike touring, also front pannier bags. I also have a small bike bag which is called 2 for the road, which in you could fit exactly 2 beer cans and place the bag on your bike. Bike Statement basically started with printed t-shirts, tapos nag-expand in selling face kerchiefs or yung face fabrics, yung nilalagay sa mukha na may print ng mukha ng ibang tao or popular icon or cartoon character or whatever. For faster transactions or customized bags or ideas, you can message Kiko directly by searching Bike Statement PH or go to the link in the description below. Number 6, si Sakit Philippines. Sakit Philippines Bags is Makati-based and spearheaded by Marvin Corpus, also known as Nognog. Since Sakit is just a new player in the bikepacking scene, right now they don't have a wide range of bags for bikepacking or bike touring, pero he currently makes triangle frame bags, saddle tool bag, and a small handlebar bag. Si Nog ay isang skateboarder and he's also a fixie cyclist, so he has a wider range of bags and accessories for those sport like skateboard backpacks, skate packs, pedal straps, even fanny packs, backpack roll top, coin purse, caps, bucket hats, sling bags, and a lot more. For quicker transactions, search on FB Sakit Philippines or go to the link below. I'll post it also. Nga pala, I also interviewed Marvin or Mr. Sakit Philippines last year when I ordered a triangle frame bag. Check out the link in the description below or the link at the top. In another video, I've used the Sakit PH triangle frame bags also in one of my bikepacking trips and showed how many things na malalagay mo sa isang triangle frame bag ni Sakit. Check out also the link and watch it. Number 5, MidNorth Gears. MidNorth Gears is based in Cabanatuan, Nueva Ecija. They have a complete set of bikepacking bags like the handlebar bag with the harness, feed bag, top tube bag, small triangle bag, and saddle bag. Wala pa ako nakikita na actual products, pero based sa mga pictures nila sa Facebook, the quality of the product looks good and a bit cheaper compared to other popular bikepacking local brands. And MidNorth Gears are also up for consignment deals without any cost. So kung may kakilala ka na isang bike shop or outdoor shop na gustong mag-cater sa bikepacking bags like MidNorth Gears, you can message them and I think mapapag-usapan nyo na maayos kung paano yung consignment deals nyo. So for transactions, just visit the link that I'm gonna post. And I think they cater nationwide, but the customer has to shoulder the shipping cost added to the SRP of the product. Number 4, si Asbug. Asbug Bags ay gawang Batangas and is owned and made by a guy named Allen. Asbug has bikepacking bags like handlebar bag, saddle bag, triangle frame bag, yung full triangle or half triangle. And Asbug also makes other bags like backpacks, messenger bags, also fanny packs or waist packs. Sometimes, nagko-customize siya ng bags, pero depende kung ano yung level of difficulty. Kung masyado mahirap, baka tanggihan ka niya. Alright? By the way, I reviewed and showed a video before on how to install an Asbug saddlebag on a bicycle. And I also showed how many clothes you can fit doon sa saddlebag. So check nyo yung link below or dito sa video. And for orders, you can search Asbug Bags on Facebook. You can message directly on how to pay or how to transact. Okay. Number 3, si Exodus Bikepacking Gear. Exodus bike bags are Laguna made and is owned and made by Neil Carrion. Exodus has bikepacking bags like a handlebar bag, which you can also use as a saddle bag, handlebar harness, which you can use with any dry bag, saddlebag harness, which you could also use with any dry bag, full triangle and half frame bags, and feed bags. Exodus bags also has bags that looks a bit like the Cardis bags, customized handlebar bags, basket bags for your front basket, rear bags for bike touring, even safety reflectorized rear triangles, and a lot more. You can check out the Exodus Bags page by searching on Facebook Exodus Bikepacking Gear. You can message him directly for questions, customized orders, or comments. You can also browse and see photos of the Exodus product line on the FB page. In-interview ko si Neil Carrion, Mr. Exodus Bags last year. And check out nyo yung link below or dito sa video to see that interview. Number 2, si Conquer Outdoor Custom Bags. I believe is Manila-based and spearheaded by Vincent Palisok, or also known as Sok, who's also a mountaineer and an avid cyclist randonneur. Conquer makes bikepacking bags for mountain bikes, customized frame bags, saddle bags, feed bags, top tube bags, and Conquer also has a handlebar bags for bicycles using drop bars. It comes in small and medium and large sizes. You can search on Facebook Conquer Outdoor Custom Bags and message them directly for the availability of the bike bags. Right now, they are mainly sold in built cycles in Makati, but I also saw a few in Raven Cycles in Mapagkawanggawa Street in Teachers Village. I've reviewed and also shown before a video on how to install a Conquer feed bag. There's a link in the description below or in this video, and try to check it out. And number 1 is, you guessed it right, Pack Gear. Pack Gear is Cebu made and is owned by an old school mountaineer named Hillboy Honorites. From what I know, he is based in Cebu. And Pack Gear has bikepacking bags like frame bags, half frame bags, handlebar, pouch bag for the handlebar bag, saddle bag, feed bag, and top tube bags. Since Hillboy is a mountaineer, he also makes products for mountaineering like tarps for camping, waist bags or fanny packs, trekking hats, backpacks, camping equipments, and a lot more. You can check out his Facebook page by searching Pack Gear Outdoors, and you'll see more products there. For orders, you can message the page directly, and he replies within the day. Where can you find Pack Gear bags locally in Metro Manila? Right now, ang marami akong nakikita ay kay Raven Cycles sa Mapagkawanggawa Street and Teachers Village. I've also reviewed and showed a video on how to install a Pack Gear handlebar bag before. I'll show you the link below or here in the video and check it out, okay? There you have it. Yan yung mga top local bike bags manufacturer ng Philippines. Kung meron akong nakalimutan or hindi nasama sa list, let me know sa comments, message me. And next time dadagdag natin or gagawa natin sila ng feature. Alright? So ito lang yung alam ko na local bike bag manufacturers sa Philippines. Alright? Support local guys. And sana nagustuhan nyo tong topic natin. Sana makatulong sa inyo. Kung meron kayong kakilala na may kailangan ng bike bags, share nyo tong video na to para mas marami kayo options, mako-compare nyo. And kung may questions kayo regarding those bags, you can message me also. Okay, that's it mga kapadyak. Salamat sa pagsubaybay. Kung hindi ka pa subscribe sa channel na to, click subscribe, hit the channel, and hit mo na rin yung bell icon para lahat ng notifications ma-inform ka sa channel na ito. Okay? Sana nagustuhan nyo. Sana support pa rin this channel if you're into bikepacking or bike touring or travel by bike. We will feature it here. And ayun, just let me know kung may iba pa kayong gustong maging topics. Alright? Again, thank you and Happy New Year guys. Happy 2020.